Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. It's Thursday, guys. It's actually a day before NFP. Today we are going to have that tomorrow we're going to have NFP. So it's going to be interesting. But what we know is mostly the market won't move very nice, especially before the news or before NFP. But what we have today, it's also very important because it seems like we had some very bad start of September, which is not really good. So at the moment, to see Nasdaq US30 going higher, it means we will need this unemployment claims to go down. We need this service PMI to go a little bit higher, and also a non-farm payroll change. We want to see that number going up. Why? Because we need the economy to perform very well, and also our stock, I think, is going to perform very well. Yes, we want everything to cool off, but sometimes we need things to balance off. Even tomorrow, we are still expecting the same thing. I can see here they estimate 164K. If we can get that number or a little bit higher, that will be also good for Nasdaq. Sometimes the market will be going against that. Let's say maybe if the US is stronger, most likely we used to sell Nasdaq. But this time the economy is not really nice, it's not really well, so which means we need to see the recovery as quick as possible, because if things are going to go down here, it will push Federal Reserve, let's say Powell, to cut maybe with 50 basis points, 0.50 basis points of interest rates. That is going to be like seriously not really good. It will be good because they will be cutting the rates, but it will show the panic that actually they are late. I hope you understand all this. But anyways, to learn all this, we have some mentorship, guys. We have some serious mentorship. So what's really happening? I will start with dollar index, and see what's really happening on the market. Yeah, you can see that we still have a very nice structure. If you still remember, we said the structure, it was on a downtrend structure. You can easily see that, you know what, we are coming from a very proper uptrend structure. Now we had that breakout. Obviously, we expect the market to go even lower. We still have that time where they're going to cut the rates, or maybe tomorrow the market might reverse, but at the end of the day, we still expect them to cut the rates, you see. But on the structure here, we can easily see that we saw a proper reversal. This week, the market did touch this area of a resistance, and we can see a continuation of that sell. So which means this shows that the dollar is still on the weaker side, that we are still on a downtrend. So which means we are still selling the dollar. I hope that makes sense. So let's push to the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I think this can actually explain that we see Gbpusd going up. It shows that the dollar is a little bit weaker. That's why we see this going even higher. So this is what we had also yesterday. The market is still going up very nice, but what we have here is the market actually showed us that we have this area. You see this area as a nice support, and the market respected that. I think we already had a buy pending order, so that's why I did not really place anything here, but we were just waiting for this breakout there, and after that it's a proper buy. Do you see that? And now it means we're gonna use this area. I thought maybe the market was going to touch my support area down there, but it means now we're gonna use this area, but at the end of the day that is gonna actually go higher. I hope that makes sense. So as we are on that nice uptrend structure, so I'm still very, very, very bullish. So now we are on gold. Oh, this thing was flying, by the way. Unfortunately, I did not really take this one because I'm still holding some positions on Nasdaq. So this is what we have. You can see that, yeah, we are on a very proper uptrend structure. And what we have here, you can easily see that the market is on this nice resistance or a support. The market is just playing around the same level. Do you see that? So that is something that we were doing. And even though we had some serious buy pending orders and here and there, at the end of the day, we did smash a lot of the markets around this area. We had a buy pending order there. Just look, maybe we're touching the take profit there already, but I was in on this one because I was holding other trades. And guys, we also going to add some stocks. When I'm talking about stock, I'm talking about US stocks, or the stocks that we can get and that maybe we can easily trade, or stocks that relate with whatever that we're trading. So yeah, on gold, I'm still very bullish. Maybe the market will be bouncing back, then we will be looking for another buy, or maybe the market might break out. If the market breaks out, I will still look for that buy as the market is on that uptrend. If you still remember, there was this people who were throwing that was not really bad. That was also fine. But you remember I said I'm expecting the market to touch this. I'm waiting for the market to touch this horizontal support there. And at the end of the day, we see the market came there and touched that level, and we jumped in. There was nothing very complicated there. So on USD yesterday, this was just an optional trade because the market has been going crazy. But the overall structure, guys, you can see that the market has been actually on a very, very, very nice uptrend structure. We can say the market has been going up. On top here, we can see we have these levels. Yes, that shows us that it's actually a resistance zone. But the news are looking positive. Most of the stuff are looking positive, especially for the stock market. Yes, at the moment, we're just waiting for NFP. I think everyone is waiting for NFP. Or we can say every economic news at the moment is going to be way, way too important because we want to see a bounce back in the employment market. And retail sales, we want things to be positive because besides that, we start to see things starting to slow down. Manufacturing starting to go down. That is not really good. You see, employment starting to go down. That's not really good. Yes, we know that we want rates to go down also, but not this aggressive. I think maybe Powell he was late this time. They were supposed to cut the rates maybe last month. You see, but anyways, this month they're still gonna cut. This is what we have. By the way, the market is still bullish. So we reached this area. We had a buy pending order, smaller profit, but halfway towards our take profit, that was better than nothing. And we still in this. So I'm still expecting to see a very nice push. As we have some news today, maybe we're gonna have some very good news. Then the market might start to recover, and that's what we want, right? So on Nasdaq, you can see that I also have a notification there because I'm holding some trades. I still believe that we are still on that nice uptrend structure. So I still believe that the market will be bouncing back. So we are coming from this nice downtrend, expecting to see the market going even higher. But obviously, we had some sell-offs on Nvidia, and that pushed to this sell-off. But if you can check, it's aggressive but not really that crazy. I'm still expecting to see a very nice push. Yet it might not really happen today, maybe it will happen tomorrow, but tomorrow let's hope that NFP is going to be positive. As long as it's not really negative, that will be much better. I hope that makes sense. So I'm still bullish. I think the market reached where the market broke out, and we can see that the market is struggling to break this area, and around that level obviously we can have a proper support. Even though you can see we have so many candlesticks, almost a day, since you can see it's actually a nice day there. It's like full day. If you count this, these are 4 hours time frames, 4 hours candlesticks, 12 hours, 1 2 3, 24 hours, 1 2 3. Yeah, that's too much. I can't add that. My math is not matching. So yeah, but what I'm expecting here, I'm expecting to see the market going even higher. From here, as we can see this nice consolidation structure. But it will also depend on the economic news that we are going to receive from today and also tomorrow. I think that will be a good time to see a reversal. Yes, the market might not really reverse, but I'm still expecting that. So quite similar to S&P 500, we also see that the market, it's still showing us that quite similar to Nasdaq. I'm expecting to see the market respecting that area and going higher. We can see several candlesticks struggling to go below this area. So maybe we will have a nice push. Yesterday, the market did try, but later on, the market reversed again, or let's say early. And yeah, I think maybe the market will try to bounce back again. But at the moment, we can just relax. Let's just relax. Tomorrow is going to be one of the biggest days. So on Nvidia, with this type of a sell, as I said, I will be starting to add this on my trades, even if maybe I'm not gonna cover some analysis that much. But at the end of the day, I will be trading some stocks, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, all of them. My broker can do that. And actually, for those who want a broker, I'm using EXNESS. Check my description. You will find the link. Open with that, please. Right? So yeah, I'm expecting a nice reversal. The market tried, but I like the fact that the market did not continue to go even lower. The market tried to play around, but as long as we did not really have a sell off, that is better than nothing. Maybe today the market will reverse aggressively. So US oil seems to be trying to continue with that sell off. I'm still expecting to see the market reaching this level, but it seems like the market is trying to play around. I can see some crazy consolidation around that level, but at the end of the day, I still believe that we will see a continuation of that sell. The overall structure, you can see that we are on a downtrend structure, and this is what I'm expecting, something like that, going lower, as this is a downtrend structure. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. For those who wants to be part of the team, just let me know. We have some very great special. Thank you very much. Bye.